These 3 steps are going to boost your gaming performance once and for all. Hello guys, I am Lana and you are watching Tech Decode. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can optimize your gaming performance without root or any software. First of all, let me clear that it doesn't matter whether you are using Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Motorola, because these steps works in all devices. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. In the first step, go to Settings and search About Phone. Now, click on Build Number 10 times like this. After, go to Developer Options and enable it like this. Now go to Running Services and disable all the unnecessary services that you don't need. In the second step again, go to Developer Options and check if your RGB mode is on or not. If it is enabled, just disable it because it is going to impact your performance and gameplay. The next step is the most important and helpful step. In this step, you need to remove all bloatware apps. If you're not familiar with bloatware apps, let me explain. Bloatware apps are those apps that come pre-installed on your mobile device by the manufacturer. These apps not only consume RAM, but also contribute to your phone getting hot. So let's go ahead and uninstall all of these apps. Guys, that was today's video. If this video was even slightly helpful to you, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing.